putting it all together, let's say we're asked to do a perimeter of this irregular shape. We have some missing sides to it that we don't know, but you can figure it out from the information that's given to you. In this particular case, we know that this total side is 10. If I was to extend this, I would know that this whole side would be 10. It would match perfectly. But I don't know what this little piece is. I don't know how much of this is split between the 10. But this line right here gives me a hint that to this part of the figure is 3. And I know that I'm working with a rectangle, and by definition, rectangles have two sides that are congruent, two opposite sides that are congruent. So I can take my 3 here and place it there. Then, with a simple subtraction problem, 10, take away the 3 that's missing from this shape, I would know that this side would be 7. I don't need that number anymore. The same thing happens here. I do not know this number. So I'm going to be looking at the opposite side for the same reason. This is a rectangle, and we know that the opposite sides of rectangles are congruent. If you need to review the attributes of a rectangle, go back to the movies that were previously made about the attributes of the rectangle, and you'll find that this side has to be congruent to this side. Well, we know that this much of it is 6. And we know this much of it is 8. So our combined number is 14 for the whole distance. Now we can use our perimeter by just taking any point. Let's start here, and we're going to walk up here. We need a 10. Across, we can use the 6 and 8 or the 14 if you'd like. I'm going to use the bigger number. Come down this way, 7. Across gives me 8. Down again is 3, and across is 6. Now all I have to do is add up my numbers. So let's see what we have. Here's a 15. We can do a 15 with this. 19, 22, 28. 2, 3, 4. So the perimeter of this odd shape is 48 units.